Welcome to Review Rumble. The best hand drone is probably one of the most exciting gadgets to hit the market for young adventurers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of kid-friendly drones, exploring what makes these flying toys so captivating. From their easy-to-use controls to the thrilling aerial views they offer, we'll uncover why these drones are quickly becoming a must-have for kids of all ages. Get ready to witness the future of fun as we explore the features and the overall experience of these amazing hand drones. Number 5. Force 1 Scoot Hand-Operated Drone. This is the original Scoot drone from Force 1. It's a hand-operated drone, perfect for kids and adults. Toss it into the air and watch the vibrant LEDs light up. This indoor hover drone is designed for beginners. It uses motion sensors to avoid obstacles. You can guide its flight with your hand and even play catch. The drone has a webbed shell to protect itself and everything around it. This design keeps it safe from damage while flying indoors. It's a great beginner drone for ages 8 and up. The drone is about 4.7 inches in diameter and comes with a USB charging cable. Enjoy up to 8 minutes of flight time on a 50-minute charge. This hand-operated drone is designed for fun with family and friends. It guarantees a good time for everyone. What we like. This drone is all about easy fun. It's designed for hands-free play, letting you control it with simple gestures. If you're looking for a safe and straightforward drone experience, this is a great choice. It's perfect for indoor fun with its durable design, making it ideal for kids and beginners. What people say. The drone is very easy to use. The design is very cool. It has a lot of cool features. Number 4. Force 1 Scoot Pro Hand-Operated Drone. This is the Scoot Pro, a hand-operated drone for both kids and adults. It uses advanced motion sensors, making it easy to control with your hands. You can avoid collisions with family, furniture, and pets. This drone is perfect for beginners. It has powerful motors and is easy to launch. Just toss it in the air and use your hands to control it. Catch it hamburger style when you're finished. Want to do a flip? Place your hands on both sides and swipe a hand underneath when the lights blink. Watch it perform a 360-degree flip. It's fun and easy to do. The drone has a crystal dome that projects colorful LED lights. It also has a ring of bright LEDs on the side. The lights make it even more fun to fly around. The drone has a webbed shell that protects hands, walls, and furniture. The shell also keeps the drone safe from damage. It's made with high-quality, non-toxic materials. This drone is a US-certified STEM toy and a 2022 Mom's Choice Award winner. It's easy to fly and comes with extra propellers and a USB charging cable. It flies for 6 to 8 minutes after a 60-minute charge and has a low battery alarm. What we like. This drone takes the fun to the next level with its unique 360 degrees flip feature. It also has a cool LED light show. If you like to impress your friends with a cool gadget, this is the one for you. This drone is perfect for those who want a bit more excitement and flair in their flying experience. What people say. The drone is very easy to control. It has a nice design. The drone works great. Number 3. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids. This mini drone is packed with fun features. It can do 3D flips, auto rotation, and circle fly. Kids will love these functions, and it's easy to adjust the speed. It's small but delivers big fun, perfect for indoor or outdoor flights. The auto-hovering feature keeps the drone stable at its current height. It's easy to start and land with just one key, making it simple to control. You'll find it has super stability, making it easy to fly. With 3 batteries, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time. You won't be disappointed by a dead battery or waiting for a charge. A low battery alarm will also let you know when it's time to land. Enjoy flying this nano drone without worrying about its direction, especially when it's out of sight. It makes it easier to control and enjoy. You won't have to worry about losing it. The full protection guard protects everyone. It's a safe and fun toy for the whole family. It's a great gift for kids and plane fans. What we like. This drone offers a stable and easy flying experience with its auto-hovering feature. It also comes with multiple batteries for extended playtime. If you are looking for a reliable and fun drone with longer flight times, this is a great option. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. The drone is very easy to use. It has a nice design. The drone is very responsive to hand movements. Number 2. Holy Stone HS210 Blue Mini Drone. This drone is designed for fun. It can perform cool tricks like toss to launch and 3D flips. The speed is adjustable, so it's perfect for all skill levels. It's easy to fly with features like altitude hold, which keeps it steady. Headless mode makes controlling it simple, no matter which way you're facing. This makes it great for beginners. You get up to 21 minutes of flight time with the included batteries. You won't have to worry about running out of power quickly. Plus, a low battery alarm will let you know when it's time to land. Take this drone anywhere. It's small and easy to carry, making it perfect for parties, trips, or just playing around. It's a fantastic gift for kids and friends. Safety is a priority. The propellers are protected by guards, keeping kids safe and preventing damage to the drone itself. What we like. This drone is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring auto-hover and headless mode. It also has multiple batteries for longer playtime. If you're a beginner looking for a drone that's easy to control and offers extended fun, this is the perfect choice. It's great for both indoor and outdoor adventures. What people say. It's very easy to control, even my 4-year-old son was able to fly it. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. The quality is excellent, and I really appreciate that extra batteries are included in the package. Number 1. Holy Stone HS190 Mini Drone for Kids. This drone is designed with beginners in mind. It has a one-click takeoff and landing feature, making it super easy to control. The 3D flips add some extra fun to the experience. The altitude hold function keeps it hovering steadily at a set height. In headless mode, the controls are simple, always relative to where you are facing. This offers a worry-free flying experience for everyone. It comes with 3 different speed modes, low, medium, and high. This allows kids of all skill levels to enjoy flying at their own pace. It's perfect for learning and growing with the drone. The propellers are protected by guards, keeping kids safe from spinning blades. There's also an emergency stop function, so it can land immediately, reducing the risk of damage or injury. It's incredibly small and can be folded up to fit in your pocket. Take it with you anywhere, from parties to long trips. It's a great gift for kids and beginners, perfect for indoor and outdoor fun. We offer a 30-day warranty for quality issues and a 90-day warranty for accessories. We value your satisfaction and are always here to help. Contact information is in the manual. What we like. This drone is super easy to control, with one-click takeoff and landing. It also offers different speed modes to match your skill level. If you are looking for a drone that grows with you, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners and offers a safe and enjoyable flying experience. What people say. It has removable blade guards, charges easily, and stores in its controller when not in use. A stable flyer, easy to learn how to fly. It is easy to fly, with the altitude hold function which keeps it set at whatever height you want. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.